Hello everyone, here we are in the wastelands, as I call it, because there's nothing here besides the trees and bushes and a lot of trash, whatever. Okay, now I will try again the follow on FreeFlight Pro again. I think this will work in this smartphone. I have tested a little bit in home, and the thing is, when I put the definition in 720p, the image is okay. So I will try if this works or not. Let's see. Okay, let's try this. And the wind. Who cares about the wind? Okay. Now we gotta go to the settings. Where is it? No, not here. This is very slow. And come on. Put the video definitions in 720p. It's the only way to work on this smartphone, I think. Okay, let's do it. GPS is green. Let me check. Come on. Okay, this one. Okay. Let's see. Take off. Let's see. And is following, I think. Yes, somehow is following. Or not. Can I go upper than this? Okay, now I got it. And it's really following very nicely then. If I press this, what happened? Okay, it's working now. It's more closer. Let me see if I go to the car, what happens. Orbit. Okay, it's orbiting. But it's too fast. Boomerang. And Zenite losing signal. Okay. What the hell is it doing? It loses. Okay, home now. stop. Follow. See me here? What a goddamn confusion. Okay, let's see if it follows the car. Okay. Come on. Let me draw this. Oh, damn it. Okay, stop there. Okay. Go. Go. Let me see. Let me see. It's following, definitely following. Really following. And losing. And losing. No. Got it again. Nice. It keeps on tracking the car nicely. And the battery is almost wasted. It's amazing. Okay, let's turn around. Okay, really following nicely. It's tracking the front of the car. That was fun. Okay, let's finish this. Okay. Somehow it's working. And loses the tracking. Let's land. What the hell? Oh. Okay. It's done. It's done. Okay, it was a positive flight. It works finally. Okay, that's all for now, for today. And I'm gonna eat this. A cake. 1000 papers. Bye. the hell is that? This is not working at all. Go. Go where? What the hell is this, man? And I can do nothing at all. Piece of shit. I have to have a better smartphone, I know.